Namaskar. Welcome to Atharvani Ayurveda Clinic, presenting yet another Living Ayurveda lecture series. This is Vaidya Aruna Ingar Rao. We are going to talk about the leech, the Jalouka. A Jalouka, or a leech, as we call it in English, is to be seen not as a pest. In fact, it is a pet for all practicing Ayurveda Vaidyas. You can say a divine pet. Acharya Sushruta, rightly called as the father of surgery, in his voluminous textbook Sushruta Samhita, has given a detailed description about the categories of leeches. 7 types are non-medicinal and 7 are medicinal leeches. We use Hirido medicinalis for our treatments. Hiridin is the anticoagulant present in the saliva of the leech to prevent blood clotting during the sucking process, during the Rakta Mokshana. Bhagavan Dhanvantari, Lord Vishnu himself, is born out of the churning of the milky ocean, Samudra Manthana. Please notice him holding these with his 4 hands. Shanka, that is the conch, Chakra, that is the disc, Jalouka, leech, Amrita Kalasha, the pot of medicinal herbs and minerals. As you can see in the shloka of Dhanvantari, Om Shankam Chakram Jaloukam Dhadatam Amrita Gadham. So, Jaloukam is being held by one of his 4 hands. If at all you get some hungry leeches on your body trying to suck your blood while you have visited any moist lands, riversides, hilly wetlands, my sincere plea, request to all the viewers of the video is that, first of all, do not panic. Secondly, do not try to forcefully pull its body using all your might and strength, or never use a burning matchstick, a cigarette butt, baking soda, salt, or the lime, that's the calcium oxide, the chunna used on betel leaves for pan chewing. Instead, sprinkle a little bit of turmeric powder or Haldi, Curcuma longa powder, over its mouth part. The leech simply easily leaves the bite area and dances its way off. So, in the iconography of Lord Dhanvantari, we saw him holding a Shanka, Chakra, Jalouka and Amrita Kalasha. All these 4 aspects are Bhagavan Dhanvantari, Vishnu himself. Okay. So think twice before panicking and trying to kill them. Already, a lot of water pollution and usage of pesticides have reduced the population of many leech species in India. So let's become a bit more responsible and take every little small effort to preserve these wonder creatures. Be kind to them, at least for the selfish reason that they are serving humanity since time immemorial. Ayurveda has gifted the humankind with Panchakarma, one of them being Rakta Mokshana, bloodletting. Jalouka-Avacharana, bloodletting through a leech, is one of the most effective ways of bloodletting. Some few indications are baldness or hair loss, even alopecia. It could be boils and acne on the skin, on the face, and even ear and hearing problems, including tinnitus, also is very effective by leech treatment. Osteoarthritis is again a very good indication for leech therapy, and shingles, that is in herpes, the boils filled with pus and pain, and a wide range of skin diseases. We use leech therapy. It could be even non-healing ulcers, non-healing wounds, where the patient will be advised for amputation as the only remedy left. So at those instances, we can use leech therapy, like varicose ulcer, diabetic ulcers, etc. Or many instances of sport injuries where a person lands up in nerve compressions across the spine, be it in the cervical, thoracic, or even the lumbar spine, or the very famous sciatica. We use the leech. And definitely in most of the vascular diseases like varicosity, DVT, all these cases we use the leech. So thank you one and all. Watch out for more videos and kindly spread the word to protect these wonder creatures.